Biden nominates acting U.S. Attorney for Massachusetts, Joshua Levy, for full-time job. The acting U.S. Attorney for Massachusetts, who took office after Rachel Rollins resigned in disgrace in May, has been nominated for the full-time job. I am humbled and honored by President Biden's decision, acting U.S. Attorney Joshua Levy said in a statement. Until the confirmation process in the U.S. Senate is complete, I will not be making any further public statements on this issue. Levy served as the first assistant U.S. attorney under Rollins starting in January 2022 before stepping up on May 19 to the acting role. He's now held the position for a total of 152 of the 210 days allowed under the Vacancy Reform Act. We are pleased that President Biden has nominated Joshua Levy and are confident he will faithfully serve the people of Massachusetts as U.S. Attorney. We urge the Senate to swiftly confirm him, Massachusetts' two U.S. Senators, Elizabeth Warren and Ed Markey, said in a joint statement. Levy has gone back and forth between the private and public sectors during his more than 25-year career. He graduated from Brown University with a bachelor's degree in 1987 and received his law degree from Georgetown University Law Center in 1992, after which he clerked for Judge Harold H. Green for the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia. Levy worked as an associate attorney at the law firm Ropes & Gray from 1993 to 1997 before hopping to public work as an assistant U.S. attorney for the District of Massachusetts from 1997 to 2004 before returning to private practice with Ropes & Gray, this time as a partner, from 2004 to 2021. As a prosecutor, he worked in the Criminal Division's Economic Crimes Unit office and specialized in, according to the U.S. Attorney's Office, a wide range of white-collar crimes including health care fraud, securities and investor fraud, terrorism financing and environmental crimes. Rollins, whose famous list of crimes she would not prosecute as Suffolk DA deadlocked her vote in the Senate Judiciary Committee ahead of a photo finish confirmation in which Vice President Kamala Harris cast the tie-breaking vote. She would last until May 19, when she resigned following reports by both the DOJ's Office of the Inspector General and the U.S. Office of Special Counsel detailing a series of ethical breaches, from pushing for free Celtics tickets to promoting her favored DA candidate Ricardo Arroyo over DA Kevin Hayden, who won the primary and faced no opposition in the general election. Levy is not seen as a controversial pick by observers. My expectation given his experience and lack of controversy is that he will have a pretty easy route, Carl Tobias, the Williams Chair at the University of Richmond School of Law in Virginia, told the Herald by phone. Tobias, whose work emphasizes the federal judicial selection process, said that Levy's strong background both as a lawyer at the respected Ropes & Gray and his experience in the judicial district and the office itself makes him a relatively conventional pick that won't need to be overly vetted by the Judiciary Committee staff. He said it's possible the confirmation could take place this year, as he could cite only a handful of nominees ahead of Levy for one of the nation's 99 U.S. attorney posts, with attorneys for the districts of Northern Illinois and Northern Ohio being the only ones to spring to his mind. I think it's great for the district and for the U.S. Attorney's Office to have someone permanent in that role, Tobias said. Other nominees. Levy was one of two U.S. attorney nominees announced as part of Biden's 40th round federal judicial nominees. Other positions nominated were 2 U.S. District Court judges, 2 U.S. Marshals, and 2 members of the U.S. Sentencing Commission. The other U.S. attorney nominee is Judge Johnny C. Gogo, a current California judge sitting in the Santa Clara County Superior Court in San Jose, who Biden has nominated for the position of U.S. attorney for the districts of Guam and Northern Mariana Islands. Biden's judicial nominees are both for the Northern District of Oklahoma, Sarah E. Hill, who served as the Attorney General of the Cherokee Nation from 2019 until this year when she entered private practice, and John D. Russell, who was an assistant U.S. attorney for the district from 1995 to 2002, when he entered private practice. U.S. Marshal nominees are Clinton Fuchs, a current assistant U.S. attorney for the District of Maryland, and David Lemon II, a former West Virginia State Police member currently serving as the Dean of Professional and Technical Studies at Southern West Virginia Community and Technical College for the Southern District of West Virginia. Biden's now 24 total Marshal nominees include last year's nomination of then Chelsea Police Chief Brian Keyes, who was confirmed for the position in Massachusetts. Biden also nominated 2 sitting members of the U.S. Sentencing Commission for a second term. This commission was created under the Reagan administration to, as a Biden statement puts it, reduce sentencing disparities and promote transparency and proportionality in criminal sentencing. Those members are Judge Claria Hornboom, who first took a seat in 2022 and also serves as a U.S. District Judge in Kentucky, and Judge Don Gleason, who also first took a seat last year, who is a private attorney who was a federal judge for the Eastern District of New York from 1994 to 2016. If found video informative, like, share, and subscribe to channel.